I get a lot of coaching clients who are asking me the same question. How do you get over the potential embarrassment or caring about what other people think of you when you go over and approach a woman? And this is already one of the downfalls of a man. The mindset that he cares too much about what people are thinking of him. One of the first things that you have to understand is when you want to be more attractive to a woman, she has to be able to see your mental strength, okay? Mental strength. This is one of the most important things. A lot of guys think that it's your muscles that attract women, and while that does help, it's more about your mindset, how you navigate the world, how you are going about your day-to-day activities. If you're constantly caring about what people are thinking about you, then obviously you care more about other people than what you care about yourself. And that is probably translating into a lot of different areas of your life. And this is extremely unhealthy because you're just relying on other people for the validation. You're seeking external validation when it needs to come from within. And here's the thing, a woman will be able to sense that. So what is the first mindset that you need to have that completely drives a woman wild? You need to stop thinking and caring about what people are thinking of you. This is your biggest pitfall. And listen, we're all guilty. We all do it. No one's perfect. But I know that a lot of guys who are watching videos like these are definitely thinking that, because if you already have this mindset that you're scared to go and approach a woman, you're clearly just concerned about what she is thinking of you. So I need you to start focusing on yourself and the relationship with yourself and not by other people. So your first mindset is this: I don't care what other people think about me. Now I could probably talk about this concept for hours, but I want to go into some more mindsets. Let's continue. The second mindset is this: there's always a way to fix it. Okay, that's what you need to be thinking. There's always a way to fix it. So here's the cool part. This is twofold in terms of benefits. First, it's going to help you in your own life, right? Being resilient, never giving up, always trying to fix whatever happens in your life that tends to be a problem. Where can you find a solution? A lot of people give up on whatever it is that they're trying to achieve, whether in business or with women or with health. They don't want to try to focus on the solution and only the problem. And of course, if you're dating someone, you're in a relationship with someone, and they see that you're always giving up, that you are not very reliable, that you are complaining a lot, that your life is just focused on the problem and not the solution, boom, we're back to that concept of you not having that mental strength. So this is the second mindset for you to say to yourself and understand there's always a solution, that there's anything that you can fix, and to focus on that. Now, a lot of people who have that mindset of not giving up and trying to be more solution-oriented, they come to me for coaching, one-on-one coaching and also group coaching, to help you get to the point where you are meeting and attracting more women and letting me help you solve this issue, because you're going to be leaning on someone who can assist you, motivate you, and hold you accountable. If that is you, I highly suggest that you go to the description down below. There's going to be a link there. Go to coachedbytrip.com and I can help you through this process. All right, let's go to the third mindset. Number 3 is this: you have your life handled, that everything will fall into place. Now, I know this is kind of similar to the last one that I said, and this is also still going along with the theme of mentally strong, but you have to have the mindset that you are going to be effective and you have everything taken care of, that life is just going to be handled. This is so attractive to women. Why? Because they don't want to be with a guy who's a disaster. They want to know that she's going to be joining another life that is completely handled. You are the party, you are the fun, you got everything going for you, and it's her who's joining your party. What a lot of guys do is they focus on trying to find a woman to complete them. They feel like they have this lack, or they're trying to get something, and then that's going to show up of you being very needy whenever you meet a girl, because you're trying to attach your life to hers when it has to be the opposite. Let her come into your world. Why? Because your life is awesome. You got it handled, it's fun, and I urge you to really think about this. What are you doing right now in your life? Are you happy? Are you really content with what's going on? Because if you're not, You're not going to be able to attract another woman into your life. Maybe for a one-night stand, maybe for something casual, but nothing more than that. It's doable, but it's not easy. You need to be repeating these things in your head all the time. If you want me to assist you in this, don't hesitate. Go right now to the description, hit that link, coachedbytrip.com, and apply so you and I can get on the phone and see if coaching is a good fit for you and get you to the point where these mindsets, these magnetic mindsets, are just happening with ease and that you're not thinking or overthinking any of this and it's just part of who you are. Let me help you. You don't have to do this alone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.